Hi everybody, I am doing an unboxing today. It's something that I never thought that I would actually like, but when they came out with this version, I really did fall in love. Came with the proof of purchase, and then I did get a bunch of samples from my CA. Okay, now let's get into this unboxing. My CA they ran out of smaller bags, because trust me, this bag is not big at all. And she just put it in this. I already filmed the shorts for this unboxing, so that's why this is not a true unboxing, but I just wanted to do the whole experience with you guys. I did just recently purchase a new car, and let me tell you, car shopping is not fun at all. I can do like a separate video of cars that we looked at and why I decided on the vehicle that I picked out. But anyways, so this is just kind of like to celebrate. Comes in this dust bag. Ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Diane in the Dove Tortorelle with the beige white color, gold hardware. Here is the product information if you guys need that. And it's just a snap opening and closure. It has a back pocket, and this was the one that was game changer for me. This strap, I absolutely love it. It's so stunning. It matches the bag, as you can see, and it also comes with the detachable shoulder strap as well. Let me take these out. Okay, I just put the, let me close her too actually. She's very soft. As you can see, it's empreinte leather. So it comes with this shoulder strap as well as the crossbody strap. I will do mod shots later on, but this is she's so cute. Another YouTuber here, her name is Shanti. I'll link her channel down below. Yeah, but she also filmed a video unboxing this bag and returning it and exchanging it for another bag that I do have, which let me show you guys. This is the bag that she ended up purchasing to return that one for, and I have it just like this because I brought it in store when I purchased this bag because I just wanted them to clean the hardware. I noticed some tarnishing, or they say it wasn't tarnishing, but there was some spots like on the turn lock closure right here. I can post some photos too, but nonetheless, she did end up purchasing this bag instead of this one. And yeah, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that this bag is actually for sale. But yeah, they're so cute. I tried on this bag with this strap and it was so cute. Capacity wise, the Diane would probably fit much more, and versatility wise, I feel that the Lock Me Tender would be more, it could be day to night, a day to night look. However, I do have other night bags, so that's why I was leaning more towards this Diane. I was thinking instead of this leather shoulder strap, a chain strap would look so cute on this, and I did purchase some. But these are the two Gracious bags that I do have. This is still for sale. If you guys are interested, please let me know. Friends, I am 4'11" and a size 12-14. This is the bag, and it's not adjustable, but this is just how it sits. I think it's really comfortable, casual, daily grab and go bag. I don't particularly like this strap on it, so we'll take that off, but this is how it looks. And shoulder, and She does kind of give older lady vibes, but I don't know, I feel like with the strap, it just makes it more casual and less mature looking. And let me try it on with the other bag. Louis Vuitton just needs to start selling these straps, because I easily could have just purchased this strap and called it a day. But this is the Lock Me Tender with this strap. I just like the casual look that it gives. This does come with a full leather strap, which is better value for money, but for my size, it just doesn't sit well on me. And it's no fault to this bag, it's just I thought that I would end up liking it more, but it just doesn't sit well on me. When I wear this bag with the leather crossbody, it's high like this. It's just a few inches below my chest, and yeah, I just like this length better. I'm just gonna pack with you guys, and like I said, I'm not gonna wear this shoulder strap because it's not, I don't like it. I was wearing my Louis Vuitton On The Go when I did purchase that, and I just love this color, and just the empreinte leather is just so beautiful. The debossed look is stunning. I love it. I do have this bag filled to the brim, and we're just gonna transfer it into this bag. I know you guys can't see that, sorry, but it would fit sunglasses. I have my Chanel card holder. I have a makeup pouch. I have a pack of gum. I have my Calvi card holder. And I'm not really the type to organize one's purse. I know that's bad, but I should be more of a habit to just organize better, but I just don't. And then, like I said, I just purchased a new car, so I'll just put 2 car keys in there so you guys can see. And my husband also did purchase a car, so we'll put his spare key in there. Just because that's everything that's in this bag. I have our checkbook from the purchase. Okay, and then I have Hermes lip, what is this, beige crusette. It's a shiny lipstick, and we'll just put it on. And that just fits in the top. And that's everything that I will probably carry. I do have some cash in here, but I'm not going to transfer that. And then you can fit your phone comfortably. This is an iPhone 14 Pro. In the back, it does, oh, it doesn't really disfigure it. It still looks good. It's just really full, so I wouldn't personally bring all of these. I'll take that off, and then for the time being, I'll take my keys off. And I will also, I don't put my sunglasses in my purse, so I'll just put it on top and take it off, and the checkbook as well. So it makes it more flat, and I like that better. I like the squishy, soft feeling. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please subscribe, follow me on all my social medias linked down below, and leave a comment for any other videos you would like to see. I'll see you next time.